Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this video, we will read the third paragraph of Al-Mudun Al-Islamiyya. In the previous two videos, we read first paragraph and the second paragraph. So let's read the third paragraph now. وَيَذْكُرُ الْمُؤَرِّخُونَ Wa means and, يَذْكُرُ means mention. Mu'arrikh is the plural form. Mu'arrikhun is the plural form of mu'arrikh. Mu'arrikhun means historians, right? Those who write history. Anna, that. Al-mukhattatat means planning. Okay, mukhattat means one planning, mukhattatat means many planning. Li means for or of. Hadihi means this. Al-mudun means cities. Li hadihi al-mudun means of these cities. So, and ويذكر المؤرخون, the historians mention anna, that al-mukhattatat, the planning of these cities. Mukhattatat لهذه المدن means planning of these cities. كانت لا تتم, they used to be not finished. That means they were not completed. They would not be completed. كانت لا تتم means they would not be completed. تتم means completing. لا تتم means not completing. كانت means something happened previously. Something happened previously. كانت لا تتم means they used to be not completed. They would not be completed إلا except بعد, after, دراسة, study, or research. دقيقة means thorough or careful or good. That means no planning was ever finished. No planning was ever completed except thorough research. That means previously at that time, Muslim engineers, they used to research a lot before making any building or before making any cities. Do you understand? Fakana tursam. Tursam means what? Tursam means drawn. Drawn. Okay, drawn. Kanat means they were drawn. Who were drawn? Al mukhattatat. The planning was done or planning was drawn. Okay, they used to draw the picture of their planning, of their building or of the cities. That was their planning. So where they used to draw the picture of their planning? Ala al waraq. Ala means on. Waraq means paper. Wa means and. Julud means leather or skins. Jildun is one skin. Julud means many skins. While akmasha means piece of paper. Did you understand? So they used to draw the picture of their planning or on paper, on skins, or on a piece of paper. وَيُعْمَلُ, it was worked. يُعْمَلُ li, for, it was worked for what? Mabani. Mabani means what? Mabani means the building. Mujassamat means 3D. That means they used to make 3D building. 3D structure of their planning. Did you understand? Mabani al Mujassam means 3D structure. Ha means for for the planning. That means for the planning they used to make what? They used to make 3D building, 3D structure. So now what is 3D structure? 3D structure are the miniatures, are mini structure of their planning. Did you understand? They used to sit down together around a table, and they used to make little cities as their planning. They used to make little buildings as their planning, the way current engineers do. Here it is said, kama, the way, yafalu, do, al muhandisun, the engineers do, fil waqt al hadir, current time. Okay, waqt means time, hadir means current. Okay, modern time. So the way modern engineers do what? 3D structure. Previously, previous Muslim engineers also used to create 3D structure, model building. We could say model building, little model building, small model building for their planning. وَقَدْ أَدَرَكَ, and understood or realized. أَدَرَكَ يُدْرِكُ means understanding, realizing, feeling. So al-muhandis al-Muslim. Al-muhandis al-Muslim means that Muslim engineer understood or felt or realized the importance. Ahamiyat means importance, values, necessity. So Muslim engineers understood the importance of having. Wujud means what? Wujud means having. Having of what? Having of Sharia. Sharia means road, street. Azim means large, big. Did you understand? So Muslim engineers at the time understood the importance of having large road fi kulli madina, in every single madina. Fi means in, kulli means every, madina means city, min al mudun means all the city, from all the cities, from all the cities. In every single city, uh, Muslims engineers understood the importance of having large building, I mean large road, right? That's why they built many large streets in every single city. So when they understood the importance of big street in every single city, they also understood, or they also knew that tatafarra, they also built, what they built, tatafarra منه الشوارع الجانبية. First understand the meaning of shawari. Shawari is the plural form of sharia. All right. Shawari is plural form, sharia is singular. Al-Janibiyya means side. Ash-Shawari al-Janibiyya together means side road. Right? Did you understand? Minhu means from it. Minhu means from it. He who means it. Who means it. Now, who indicates to whom? Who means Shari Azim. That means from the big city, from the large city. Minhu means from, min shari'in azimin, from large street. Tatafarra, branch out. Tatafarra means branch out or will be built. Many side streets will be built from the main street. That's what this phrases said. That means many shawari' janibiyya, many small streets will be branched out. Tatafarra means will be built from shari' azim, from shari' azim, from the main from the main street. Let me show you how. What does this sentence mean in a picture? Suppose this is shari' azim. This is a huge building. I mean, sorry, this is a huge street, right? Shari Azim. This is Shari Azim, and there are many other, small small road are connected or built. These are called a Shawari al Janibiyya. This Shawari al Janibiyya. That means many side street. Do you understand? Shawari al Janibiyya, side, small side street. These are small side street. Do you understand? We already saw it. This is which one is Shari Azim? This big one. This one is Shari Azim. All right. Did you see the width of Shari Azim? And that this is smaller. The smaller are these are Shawari al Janibiyya, the small roads. All right. And then ويتوسط هذا الشارع العظيم عظيم ميدان واسع. ميدان واسع means what? Maidan means square. Maidan means what? Square. Wasi means large. Do you understand? So ويتوسط means what? ويتوسط means in the middle. In the middle. In the middle of what? هذا الشارع عظيم. In the middle of this large street. In the middle of this large street. هذا means this. In the middle of this large street, there is going to be a ميدان واسع. There is going to be a what? ميدان واسع. ميدان واسع means a large square. I'm telling you again. ويتوسط means in the middle. In the middle of this large city, there is going to be a large square. That means this is the large city. I'm showing you again in the picture. So now I would like to draw a square. Do you understand? In the middle of the road. So this is a square, right? This is actually not square, but try to understand. This is square. A square has 90 angle, right? It has four 90 angles, right? So Maidan was this is the square, large square in the middle of the street. So fihi, in it means in the square, in Maidan Wasi'a, in the square. Masjidul Madina al Kabir, there should be a what? The biggest mosque of the city. In the middle of the large street, there should be the biggest mosque of the city, right? So there's going to be a mosque. There's going to be a mosque. Suppose this is a mosque, right? Wadarul Imara, and there is going to be residence house for, I mean, residence for governors. There should be two things in the middle of the square. One is the biggest mosque of the city, and the governor's house, governor's residence. Governors will be residing here in the middle of the street, in the middle of the city in a square. It seems like quite smaller, but the main road at that time was quite bigger. It was quite larger, and the square was also quite larger. That contained what that contained Masjid al Madina, Masjid al Madina al Kabir. That means the biggest mosque of the city. Darul Imara. Darul Imara means what? Darul means house. Residence. Imara means uh, governors, right? The governor's house also was there beside the biggest mosque of the city in the middle of the square. Do you understand? So that was this paragraph was all about the planning of the road, how the Muslims engineers used to make planning, they how they used to plan before making an infrastructure, and they showed the thorough, planning of their road building. I mean, their street building, how they used to make, roads and streets at that time. So, inshallah, in the next video, we're going to read the fourth paragraph. I believe you learned something from this paragraph. See you again in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.